Oh.
Oh my god.
Come over here. Cleo, touch it. Oh my god.
तल के हुन्छ क्या त राम्रो आम्माम्माम्माम्मा यो गाउँमै झर्रा जस्तो
धुवा हो धुवा
ठुलै आयो त यो त
This avalanche was captured in the Mustang region of Nepal, high in the Himalayas. A huge section of snow suddenly collapsed and rushed down the mountain, carrying ice, rocks, and dust with incredible force.
धुवा हो धुवा हाम्रोलाई फोन गर्दै
Watch this footage from Chiprasan Valley, Pakistan, where an earthquake on January 2026 causes dramatic landslides.
Okay, in my whole life I've never seen this. This is a shadow on the mountain from the exhaust from that plane. That's insane.
This dashcam footage from Japan shows tsunami floodwaters surging into a residential neighborhood after a major earthquake. This is the Esentai River in Kazakhstan, where extreme winter cold has turned the fast-flowing river into a powerful icy surge.
Everyone says something about Aussie land spiders, but no one says anything about Aussie sea spiders. Look at them all.
Big. Oh. Thing is massive.
This Australian lyrebird is famous for its intelligence, detailed tail, and its unique talent for imitating sounds from its surroundings. Check out this incredible moment. This is a female shrimp releasing thousands of eggs underwater during spawning.
These are all bugs. These are all bugs. Mayflies.
Wow.
Check out this amazing natural phenomenon, clear boundary between two air masses, creating a striking division between clouds and clear sky. A sudden avalanche crashes through Sonamarg, Kashmir, as unstable snow gives way and surges toward nearby homes in India.
Cuatro aguaceros de agua.
En la vida uno había visto eso.
2, 3 y 4 tormentas.
As formigas elas se juntaram.
Watch this, as thousands of ants join together to form a living raft using teamwork to move safely across water.
Só para poder se proteger, cara. Olha que louco. Olha isso, estão em cima de uma pena. Vamos ver.
Have you ever seen a starfish eat instead of chewing? It pushes its stomach out of its body to digest food externally. A truly bizarre and fascinating feeding method in the animal kingdom.
Ya bak. Neredeyiz ya? Neredeyiz? Bir an ne için geldik? Aşağıda ne var? Abo.
In Masai Mara, Kenya, these giraffes stand quietly in the storm, showing how even the tallest animals face nature's power.
すごいだけどすごいすごいすごい
This is wild. Look at that ice just blowing out. It's traveling about a kilometer underneath this ice.
In Minhang District, Shanghai, China, the ground suddenly collapsed into a massive sinkhole after underground erosion and weakened soil gave way, exposing the hidden dangers beneath the city.
Wow, it's actually pretty frozen. Look at this. Not bad. Look at that. Pretty good. Not bad. Uh-oh. Oh.
Really feel the weight of the ice out here. Jeez.
A massive avalanche crashes down a mountainside in Russia, showing the unpredictable power of nature.
Как красиво. И все.
И все рас...
Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Look at that barnacle. Jeez, kid.
Thanks for watching until the end. We truly appreciate your love and support. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing moments caught on camera. Take care, stay safe, and see you soon.